Welcome to my YouTube channel Metamorfosis. Today we're gonna make two different kinds of oat bread. Let's see the first one. The ingredients are half cup of oats, 2 egg whites, stevia, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, strawberries, 2 teaspoons of cacao powder, a microwaveable bowl, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and vanilla to taste. Now we put in the bowl the oats, the stevia, the cacao powder, and we mix. Now add the egg whites, the vanilla. We combine the baking powder and the vinegar. It will form a foam, and we put the foam in the mixture. Add a little bit of strawberry and continue mixing. Put the rest of the strawberry on the top. And finally, put the bowl in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. With the help of the knife, remove the bread. It's ready, so we can open and fill with more fruit, for example. For this one, we are going to use half cup of oats, 2 egg whites, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/4 cup of carrots and zucchini, salt, spices such as garlic, oregano, onion powder, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Put all the ingredients in the bowl: the oats, the egg whites, a little bit of salt, spices, zucchini and carrots. We combine the vinegar with the baking powder until it forms a foam, and we put the foam in the mixture. Now put the bowl in the microwave. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's free. And always look for the best version of yourself.